excited about my latest product that I've just launched. I'm going to use it in my decom project, which is declutter, clean, organize, and maintain. I'm going to be working on that probably all year. This is homemade green clean recipe cards. 14 cards of recipes that you can make at home to clean practically anything with basically household products. Now, today we're going to do a multi-purpose cleaning solution, and they're made to be printed on 6x4 cards. And I'm going to do just half of it. Now, to begin with, I need, the recipe says 14 ounces. I'm only going to use 7 ounces of water. Okay, 7 ounces of water and 3 ounces of distilled white vinegar. And 2 ounces of rubbing alcohol. And that's how easy it is to make a multi-purpose cleaning solution. You can put these in just a bottle that you can use over and over again. I like glass. And I'm going to put a label on it so I know what it is. And now I've got a multi-purpose cleaning solution that'll clean practically everything. But if you're getting ready to use it though, check a space that where you can't see to make sure that it won't fade or discolor whatever it is you're working on. Now, there are 14 cards. All kinds. I'm going to leave the link down below. Check it out below. I'm Vicki Peel with Her Life Hacks.